Hello, this is Binary Space with the next episode of the Suit Project. Now, well into finishing the forearm piece, the next steps are to print everything out and assemble the piece. But before I say it's finished, there are many aspects to test here, and I cannot stress enough how much of a prototype this currently is. However, I believe that the best way to learn is by doing things, and that is the main goal of this project, even if it is never completed. I originally started this as a learning project, and definitely have learned so many different things about optics, about 3D modeling, 3D printing, and controlling servos, and so much more. Now, as far as the tests go, the servos may not be able to properly open the suit, the alignment may need to be tweaked, the bearing in the midsection where the front rotates independently from the back may be too tight. So all of these things have to be tested, and it might be a bit painful, but the goal is to make something that functions, not just something that's slapped together. So, first, in this testing phase, is readying the pieces to be assembled by removing support material and sanding all of the rough edges. Now, as we're waiting on some parts to come in and a lot of testing for the forearm piece, I feel like it's time to move on to the next piece, the helmet. The helmet is probably one of, if not the most complicated part, for it houses the heads-up display, the software to make the suit voice controlled, and even its own independent AC system. Here is a rough draft of the base plan, but there will be so much more than this simple outline. First off, I'm going to build just the HUD without it inside of a helmet to get the LCD and all of the mirrors aligned. So the helmet is kind of simply a cool looking housing for all the components, like the Orange Pi one-board computer, the Wemos D1 microcontroller, the dual 1.8-inch TFT LCD screens, USB headset, servos, and most important, the batteries. So the plan is to have the LCD screens in the back of the helmet, and to have them reflect off of a mirror and onto a piece of clear acrylic plastic that will reflect the LCD screen, while being see-through and not blocking the wearer's vision. And don't worry, if you were lost, there will be a whole video overview of how this is going to work, and then initial designs to have it printed out. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching Binary Space.